Hello, this is Misty with Crazy About Teaching. I am going to talk about resource packs in ActivInspire. And what a resource pack is pretty much just a really big file with certain images that you can pull out. Okay, so let's say that as the bottom of your screen right here, you're going to see on my ActivInspire, I have a lot of Christmas pictures, and this is a Christmas resource pack. It's a file with all of Christmas themed images in it. And the resource pack is just named that, and we use it for ActivInspire. So I just consider it just a really big file, but it's so much easier than manually going to Christmas images and finding one at a time. This resource pack has everything for us, and it's always there. And I'm going to show you where you find it and how you download it. So follow me to Promethean Planet, and I want to kind of show you, if you're not sure where to start, what I usually do in the search bar is go ahead and just research resource packs. And click on there, and you're going to see a lot of different resource packs. And these are actually what teachers have put in. And you could put in your own resource packs and publish them to Promethean Planet. All you do is get a file, name it, put different images with that same theme into that file, and download it as a resource pack, and other people can actually use it. And as you can see, some people actually review the resource packs that are downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one of them, and I already have a few of these resource packs, so I'm going to try to find one that I have not actually uploaded yet. I teach first grade, so some of these things aren't what I usually use, and that's okay. But I want to try to find one while I show you guys that I could actually use. Well, you know what? We might just add one already, even though I might not use it for first grade. Aha, money. Okay, so I'm going to take it and just press download. And if it doesn't start manually, then you go ahead and click right here, but mostly mine always does. And as you see on the very bottom where my browser, my cursor is, I always show in folder. This is how, just so I know it's where it should be. And as you see it right here, what I usually do is take it, click it, press on the button, press on that file. I'm going to drag it to documents. And it's just what I do. There's so many different ways to do it, but it's easier for me to do this because I know where it is. So now that it is actually in my documents, I go ahead and go back to ActivInspire. I'm going to go all the way up to the top to File, all the way down to Import. And I'm going to go ahead and go. I always put resource pack to shared resources. It's how I was taught, and I've always done it. You could do my resources, but I always do shared resources. So I click that. Now that you're in there, now go to the documents. You remember where I was. Right here. Here's my money resource pack. Click it, press open, and it just takes just a few moments. And there, as you see, it's going to take just a few moments, and then it's going to be in my resource pack, in my resource browser. And as you can see, let me see if I can get to it. Okay, this is just my Christmas one. I'm going to go to, as you see, you can go to the resource browser with view, but I see my resource browser right here. And how I know is just go ahead and hover over it, and it shows you resource browser. And this has a lot of my files. Go ahead and press arrow. And as you see, this is where my resources, this is where my shared resources, and my other resource folder. I'm always just using my shared resources. And look right here, it has so many activities, backgrounds. I mean, look at the Common Core, grids, all of my resource packs that I have actually downloaded and actually imported. Download and import, same thing. And here's my math one that I downloaded. Here's my money. Okay, so here is all of my money. And I just keep on clicking until I get where I need to get. Oh, wow. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, I am in my resource browser. I clicked on shared resources. I went to resource packs. Then I clicked on what I needed. So I knew that I had a math one. See, you have resource packs. I mean, there's just so many things that are in my shared resources because I've downloaded many things. Now, the next step is easy. All you got to do is pick which one you want. Let me get to arrow. Sometimes I do that. I'm on pen and I end up writing. Take your image. Bam, you're done. So you have access to all the images down here, and then you can pull out what you want. You don't have to just see a number on a file. You actually see the images, so it's so much easier. And of course, when you're right here in your images, you know, just like you would do PowerPoint or Word, you can minimize, add stuff to it, make it a group, and I am going to show you how to group in one of my next videos. So I hope that this helps, and I hope that you're able to try some of these resource packs and make your own flip charts, or use another flip chart and add what you want to it so you don't have to start from scratch. So if you wanted to share any of your ideas on how you use your resource packs, just comment below. Thanks.